Tabuji playing Miss Havisham, which is I think a very interesting character as far as literature is concerned. You've played such roles in the past in terms of Macbeth, and you've done Heather as far as now. How is your process like when you're given such roles which have a lot of layers to it? They are excellent characters in their own way with their complexes and all these things. How is your approach like for something like Miss Havisham and other characters that you've done?
In this film, I had 2 days to get into this film and this character. So I really don't know what the process was or if there was any process. I just went into it with just some really confused head about, and because we were shooting the last scenes first. So I was just trusting my director, Gattu, and since I've known him since we were 16, I knew I could just trust him. And I don't know, I guess there is some internal process which I cannot describe, but I think it happens as we go in the film. And like Gattu always says, film mein to bante banti hai. So,
well, like such intense in terms of there are a lot of layers to it. They are not easy persons to play somehow. Be it namesake that you've had, they're not easy persons to portray on screen. I'm assuming that.
Fortunately, unfortunately, they come to me with all these characters. So I think I'm kind of used to portraying these people. I don't know, it must be something about me that attracts these complex and difficult people for me to play. So I think...
Tabu, would you like to add something to it? Because there are only 2 women on the dais. Tabu. Yeah, Tabuji. Yeah.
She's forgotten about her.
Yeah, I'm sorry. Yeah, Tabuji, would you like to
please, Tabu, please agree with me what I said about men and women.
I agree with every word that Katrina has said here.
Thank you.
add some of your inputs?
See, the perspective is going to change. A male is obviously going to have a different perception and perspective of a woman's mind. A woman is obviously going to have a different one. So,
Hi Aditya sir.
तब्बू जी आपसे सवाल पूछना है यहाँ पर तब्बू जी यहाँ पर लेफ्ट में how the youth will be get connected with your movie Fitur?
We will really have to ask the youth this question.
Okay.
Certainly not me.
So
we have 2.
I'm
the lead pair. No, the general youth of the country. The lead pair is a young pair in love. So I think that says it all. The story is about their love and the torment that their love experiences, and of course the torment of each of our characters. So I'm sure they'll get connected to the film through the emotion of love, which I'm sure, like Katrina said, everybody feels. And everybody feels passion, especially when you're younger, you feel a lot more passionate. Yeah. So I guess everybody who has love and passion in their heart is going to connect to the lead pair and to the film.
We'll do college visits also.
Katrina on your left.
Hello, this is Manisha from Blockbuster. Hi, Tabu.
Yeah.
Hi. How are you?
Good, thank you. How are you?
Fine, thanks. Acha, I just wanted to ask you whether your role has shades of grey in the film. And since, I mean, as a tormentor, do you come in the way of the romantic couple in their, this thing, you know?
Well, you'll have to see the film to, for you to understand what her participation is in the story. But consciously or unconsciously, she has a role to play in their love story also.
अच्छा, आप तीनों से मेरा सवाल है कि आप तीनों के जीवन में कौन सा फितुर सर चढ़ के बोलता है? Start with Katrina. Katrina? फितुर? Okay, Tabu, start with Tabu.
अगर होता तो अब तक कुछ हो चुका होता ना?